This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Larry Townsend. Enjoy this lovely townhome. Home has 2 primary bedrooms with full baths. Upgrades include new roof in fall of 2021, home freshly painted, newer hot water heater half replaced in 2014 and newer appliances. Kitchen has great counter and cabinet space, wood laminate flooring downstairs and living room area. Home has an open, spacious feel. Fenced backyard and quick access to I-64 and close to LAFB. For more information, review the details below.